Good morning, children. Today we will learn about database query using SQL, math and date functions of MySQL. It is your Unit 2 and the first topic is math function. In your syllabus, par, round and mod, three math functions are given. So you have to understand how you will work with these functions. Power, as you studied in your class 11th, power function returns argument raised to the specified power. For example, I have written power 2 comma 3, so it will return 8. The next function is round. Round function rounds a number to a specified number of decimal places. For example, you have written round 24.56 comma 1. So it will return 24.6 because 24.56 having 6 at second decimal place which is greater than 5. So it will add 1 in the previous decimal point, that is 5. So it will return 25.5. The mod is the function which returns the remainder of a number divided by another. For example, mod 3 comma 2, it will return 1. When you will divide 3 by 2, 2 divides 3 by the time 1 and the remainder is 1. We will learn how to use these functions in the later video. Now the next slide is for date functions. These all functions also you have studied in your previous class. Now it is a function which returns the current date and time at which the statement executed. Now is the function which returns current date and time of your computer when you will run this command on MySQL prompt. The second function is date. It extracts the date part of a date or date time expression. Suppose you have written date function on MySQL prompt, so you have to pass an argument in form of date and time to this date function and it will extract only date from date time argument. Month is a function which returns an integer that represents a month of a specified date. Suppose you have written month within bracket now. Now means today's date. This today's date is 9 April 2020. So it will return 04 for the integer value of this month. This month is April and so it will return 04. Month name. The next function returns the name of the month. Suppose month name, you have passed an argument current date to month name, so it will return this month's name. It will return April. Year returns the year of the specified date. Year of the specified date means today's date is 9/4/2020, so it will return 2020. The next function is day returns the day of the month in integer of a specified date. So you have to pass a date argument to day function, then it will return today's day. For example, you have written select day within parenthesis current date or now. Current date will return what? It will return today's date. And now is also return today's date with time. So today's date is 09. So day function will return 09. Day name. It returns the name of the weekday. Day name. Suppose you have passed today's date to day name. So today's week weekday name is Thursday, so it will return Thursday to you. I hope, children, you understood all these functions. Remember these functions, read out these functions, then I will explain it on my SQL platform how these functions work. Thank you. Thank you for understanding.